Are you looking for a brand new luxury home with little to no maintenance? Well, we have exactly what you're looking for right here behind me. Today, we're gonna be in the north side of San Antonio, pretty much where I-10 and Huebner meet, checking out this gorgeous townhome behind me. But before we get in there, if you are new to the channel, my name is Quentin Starks, and I'm going to be your realtor for the next few minutes. And if you can do me a huge favor, go down below, drop a like on the video. It truly does help support this channel alongside if you don't want to miss out on anything when it comes to the real estate market here in San Antonio, we encourage you to subscribe. But without further ado, let's go check out this bad boy. Okay guys, so as we approach this property, you're gonna see it's kind of that townhome style. Again, there's gonna be 4 of them. They only have 2 built so far. There's gonna be 2 more down there, but this is gonna be the first one available. It's a 2,300 square foot 3-bed, 2.5-bath home. It is 2 stories and it is priced at $650,000. That is going to be very good for this kind of area. Most of the properties over here, as you can kind of see, are going to be pre-owned. Don't know if you can kind of get a feel for it, but most of the properties in this area are pre-owned. A really nice feature about this neighborhood or this area is it is not in an HOA, so you don't have to think about any restrictions, which is quite awesome. And let me not brush over that. This is a 8-foot fully glass door pretty much. I mean, ginormous. It looks awesome. And then we open right into the foyer. You can already kind of get a feel for what the house looks like. But before we get too deep, let's actually go to this kind of mud area. So nice mud bench. You obviously do have the hanging racks there. This is going to be some nice custom cabinet where it's storage, and then a very nice minimalistic bathroom. It actually works really well in this property. Nonetheless, we're going to also have the garage space right here. It is a true 2-car garage, and then over there is going to be your EV charging. So nice little first inlet right there, but we then are going to open right into the great room, you know, the heart of the home. So living space on my left. Over there is going to be where the dining is, and then obviously this gorgeous kitchen. So to start it off, we have this absolutely ginormous island. You might not be able to really tell on camera, but normal islands, normal oversized islands might be 9 to 10 feet. This is probably, no joke, pushing 12 to 15 feet wide. Like, this is a huge island. And on top of it being a huge island, you have this gorgeous waterfall feature. I really love how they were able to do that. But alongside this amazing countertop, this is all one slab. Typically when there's slabs this big, or not this big, I'm sorry, islands this big, they have to use multiple different slabs. This is a custom piece that they actually used for this island. So really glad that they didn't cheap out on that and they used one full slab rather than piecing together, you know, pre-manufactured counter space. Nonetheless, we do have custom cabinets. We have the white up top with this gorgeous kind of wood tone bottom. This is kind of where construction is going nowadays, or new homes are going nowadays, with this, you know, natural wood look, which I do love. You have the trash can hideaway that is soft close. So all soft close cabinets. We do have KitchenAid appliances. This is going to be electric. You have the vent hood, and then right across is the sink. Nice stainless steel deep sink. And similar to what I talked about in a few videos ago, you have all of the drawers rather than the doors, so you get a lot more space inside of these cabinets. And they're a lot more usable in my opinion. The functionality of these works a lot better. Gorgeous backsplash, undermount lights on the cabinets, and then this property will come with a fridge and a microwave. Those are typically not standard when it comes to new construction here in San Antonio. So nice coffee bar there. One thing this kitchen might be lacking is going to be an actual pantry. This is just additional cabinet space. So you do have a bunch of cabinets, yet not a formal pantry. Nonetheless, a gorgeous kitchen, all in all. As we move along, this is where that dining space would be. Easily could fit a 6 or 8 seater here. But again, got to remember you have probably 8 or so extra stools you could put on this island. So you have plenty of dining space in this house. And then again, the living space is going to be right here. Beautiful picture frame windows bringing in so much natural light. And I can already imagine, right, between those two windows, a huge mounted TV with my nice sectional right here, watching the games, maybe some UFC fight nights, boxing, whatever the case may be. As we approach the back of the home, you have these awesome sliders that go to the backyard. So like I mentioned earlier, very low maintenance, right? This is not a huge yard by any means. As you can see in the drone shot, it's not big. It has a great, nice privacy fence. Looks to be an 8-foot fence. And then in this corner over here, you're actually gonna have a gate just in case you wanted to, put a boat, some jet skis, whatever the case may be, since you aren't in an HOA. So nonetheless, that is gonna be the first story. As we walk up these absolutely gorgeous, insane floating staircase, we'll then get to the second floor. So don't see some of these finishes, you just really don't see in builds nowadays, especially at this price point. Under 700,000 with some of these high-end finishes is kind of insane. Nonetheless, we are opened up right into a second living space, or a loft, flex, whatever you'd want to use it for. I know it's not staged, so you can't really see or maybe envision yourself, but for sure, definitely a living set over there. Maybe a little reading nook back here with some chairs. And you're probably thinking, Quentin, why did they not put a window on that wall? Well, that wall actually has a neighbor right next to it. So you'd probably be looking inside your neighbor's home. I know a lot of people don't like doing that, especially, right, like if it's a window like this or this big. So I'm actually pretty glad they elected to not put a window on that wall. They actually did it on the walls on either side. And you can actually mount your TV on that wall or a projector to have a great, game day watch party experience, if you will. That's going to be the HVAC unit, but we will now enter the primary suite. So upon entry, you have one closet on your left, another one on the right, and this one's going to be a little bit bigger. So we would assume, right, this is going to be the hers side. And then we enter into the primary suite. So another huge, beautiful picture frame window. Again, the camera might not do it justice. This brings in so much natural light, and you still have the same luxury vinyl plank upstairs. This is going to be a no carpet household, which is awesome. The bath is going to have dual vanities, the backlit mirrors, which is always nice, a bunch of cabinet space here, and then another fixed window in the water closet. And then on the other side, you're going to have this fully tiled, really gorgeous shower. And you even have a bench in there, which is always nice. On top of that, we have this niche. So some really nice features in the shower. Gotta love it. And then one more thing I wanted to talk about is going to be these doors. So these are shaker style doors. Every interior door is going to be just to that design, which is awesome. And then on this side is going to be the second bathroom. Single vanity, same mirror with the backlit. Obviously you have the toilet and then the shower tub combo. But I love when builders do this. They put the secondary bedrooms and bathrooms on one side, away from the primary. This is gonna be the laundry space on the second floor. So washer, dryer on either side. You have some folding space on top. They tiled all the way up with those same custom cabinets going throughout, and then 2 more bedrooms. This property is built by J&B Custom Homes, so they did a fantastic job on this home. I really do love these townhome style properties. And what's crazy is you're starting to see this a lot more in San Antonio. It's very, common in Houston, even in Dallas. But here in San Antonio, you don't see it too often, especially in this area. But I truly, really do like this property, especially again for the location. And we're not too far from the medical center. So I feel like the ideal buyer would be someone that's on the go a lot, maybe a nurse or a doctor, that needs a smaller lot, but still a gorgeous home, which this one obviously brings you a little bit of both. But again, one more look at the primary suite on the other side of the home. All right, guys, so that's going to conclude the tour of these amazing homes behind me. If you can, do me a huge favor, go down below, let us know what you thought of this brand new townhome, and if there's any communities or properties in particular that you would like us to tour on y'all's behalf, we would love to hear it. But if you want to see a property similar to this one, click on this video. And if you don't want to miss out on anything when it comes to the San Antonio real estate market, you can always just subscribe.